Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down complex topics into simple, actionable steps. Today, we're tackling how to transfer USDT from Payeer to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this guide will help you move your USDT securely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to diversify your portfolio or an experienced trader making quick transfers, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Payeer and Binance. If not, head over to their websites and complete the registration process. It's straightforward and usually takes just a few minutes. Once you're logged in, start by opening your Payeer account. Navigate to the Wallets section and select USDT. Here, you'll find the option to withdraw funds. But before you do that, you need the correct deposit address from Binance. Now, switch over to Binance. Log in, go to the Wallet tab, and click on Deposit. Choose USDT from the list. Remember, we're dealing with the TRC20 or BEP2 network for faster, cheaper transfers in 2025, so double-check that. Copy the deposit address provided. It's a long string of characters, so be careful not to miss any. Back in Payeer, paste that Binance address into the withdrawal field for USDT. Enter the amount you want to transfer, but always leave a little extra for network fees to avoid incomplete transactions. Review everything: amount, address, and network type, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to enter a two-factor authentication code for security. After initiating the transfer, keep an eye on your transaction status. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up in your Binance wallet, you're all set. Pro tip: always verify addresses and use the latest app versions to stay safe from scams. There you have it, folks, a seamless way to transfer USDT in 2025. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay secure and happy trading. Thanks for watching.